Now that we got the base, we can start adding foliage and maybe some rocks. So let's get building. So the MOC is coming along great, but I had a great idea of what I should add to it, and it involves these little bunnies. Can you guess what it is? Put your guess down in the comments. Let's add the rabbits. And boom. Hold up. I think it needs a minifigure. Let's go build it real quick. Let's get our pieces. We got our minifigures. Let's build. And boom. Done. I think they look great. What do you think? And the MOC is now complete.